Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Valentine's Day sales promotion for your post, for your Instagram post, for your social media, and here we go. So you can design with Canva. You can get this Canva for free. You can download from official website and sign in with your account. And here we go. You can click templates and try to find or type of Valentine. Just simply Valentine, and all the templates for you is all showing up here. For example, you got the products that you want to sell on your Instagram, and here we go. For example, pink and white modern Valentine sale Instagram post, special offer Valentine sale, blah blah blah. You can simply click to customize this template and more like this. So this is recommended for you, so you can try to find anything here, but you have to pay attention. There is a crown icon. It means this is pro. You have to upgrade to Canva Pro to use this premium template. So maybe you want to try the free one. So here we go. Click to customize this template, and here we go. Special offer Valentine's Day sale. Maybe you want to change here we go, the font or the font style. Here, for example, you can try to find the style here and change with your own. Here we go. So here you can copy the style or just a line or so on here, and you can change the how many percent that you want to sell, or you want to give to the customer. And here even you can reposition this a love icon. This is for example, and here you can change with your product or just replace as a background. And here we go. You can lock your background, and you cannot replace the background right now. If you unlock the background, you can replace it. Of course, you can add your product. For example, this one. Try to get a factor, product with a factor type of file in order to synchronize with this template. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.